Welcome to the Tech Lab channel, where today we are diving into the creation of an open source program using GitHub best practices, all from an authoritative standpoint of a senior cloud architect. Whether you are a seasoned IT professional or a fresh graduate with a knack for code, this script will walk you through practical aspects of maintaining a sustainable and collaborative open source project. Script. In a world where collaboration is key, open source projects have transformed how developers work together. As Senior Cloud Architect Neeraj QZZ, he shares how to leverage GitHub to create and manage an open source program that delivers enterprise value. First off, let's talk about version control. GitHub provides an environment where multiple versions of code can coexist without the fear of losing your work. Imagine a scenario where your code must constantly adapt to evolving enterprise requirements while ensuring backward compatibility. Using Git branches, you can work on new features while maintaining a stable production branch. Secondly, let's discuss issue tracking. Your project isn't just about writing code, it's about solving user problems. Open source projects rely on an active community to report issues, fix bugs, and contribute features. Learn to document your project's progress in GitHub issues and prioritize them using labels, assignees, and milestones, which is a real-time snapshot of your project's needs. Lastly, explore continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. Set up an automated pipeline using GitHub Actions so that every time someone submits a change to your code, it's automatically built, tested, and, if necessary, deployed to a staging environment for further review before going live in your main branch. In conclusion, the open source movement thrives on collaboration, transparency, and reliability. By following GitHub best practices, you can create an open source program that's not only innovative but is also maintainable, SCA.